Union Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday talked to Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal over the phone and took stock of the flood situation in the state. According to media reports, Shah ensured of extending all kinds of possible help in tackling the flood situation in Assam. Floods in Assam worsened yesterday, affecting more than 9.26 lakh people across 23 districts. 4 gunmen stormed into Pakistan's largest and oldest stock exchange in the southern port city of Karachi this morning, killing at least 2 people, according to local media reports. The 4 attackers have also been eliminated, the Karachi police said. At least 4 people have been reported injured in the attack, some of them seen on video being wheeled out of the stock exchange into waiting ambulances, a media report said. In grim development on Sunday, the number of global COVID-19 cases surged past 9.8 million with a single-day spike of 189,077 cases. According to the World Health Organization, it was the highest single-day spike in coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours. India was also among the list of countries that recorded the highest number of cases. As per the Health Ministry's data, there are 5,48,318 cases of coronavirus infections in the country, while the number of people succumbing to the disease stood at 16,475 with 318 new deaths. Y. Nabachandra, Director of Environment and Climate Change Department, today said that the media has made a tremendous contribution by following every step of COVID-19, disseminating accurate information to the masses. He was distributing face masks to journalists, the second-line COVID-19 warriors, at Manipur Press Club in Imphal. After a volunteer of Thoubal COVID-19 Aid Committee was found COVID-19 positive on 25th June, samples of 7 more persons who came in contact with him, including the mother and brother, have been collected for COVID test. Earlier samples of 40 persons who were close to the person were sent to RIMS and JNIMS. Kanglei Park News Tengbang Loop (KNTL) organized its 3rd blood donation camp at RIMS Blood Bank today, where 16 people donated blood. A.B. Saikom, secretary of KNTL, said that the blood donation was to meet the shortage of blood in the state amid the COVID-19 lockdown. Panic gripped the residents of Sagulban Mabuthaw Mantri Lekai in Imphal West when an unattended bag was found lying at the roadside last night. According to a report, a team of Imphal West commando rushed to the spot after they were alerted that an unattended camouflage airbag was lying near an NRL oil pump around 9 p.m. The cops blocked the road until a Manipur bomb disposal squad arrived at the site, but the bag later turned out to be a hoax bomb. Masood, a so-called commander of terrorist group Hizbul Mujahideen, was killed by security forces in an encounter in South Kashmir's Anantnag district this morning, a media report said. Masood was the last surviving terrorist from Doda district, Jammu and Kashmir Police Chief Dilbag Singh said. Masood was wanted in a rape case in Doda and had joined the Hizbul Mujahideen when he was on the run, the Kashmir police said. A week after the Corps commander-level talks in the wake of the 15 June Galwan incident when 20 Indian Army personnel were killed, both Indian and Chinese troops continue in eyeball-to-eyeball positions at all the friction points along the line of actual control LAC in Ladakh. China has taken draconian measures to slash birth rates among minorities, especially among Uyghurs community, as part of the campaign to curb its Muslim population. Media reports say the country has launched a widespread and systematic campaign to lessen birth rate among minorities. The campaign over the past 4 years in the far west region of Xinjiang is leading to what some experts are calling a form of demographic genocide. Reports pointed out the state regularly subjects minority women to pregnancy checks and forces intrauterine devices, sterilization and even abortion on hundreds of thousands.